Tom has the ladder in front of the door. What are you doing?
Well, I put the awning out just to make sure it was dry before we hit the road. It was a little damp, but it's also a little bit ripped.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
It's history.
It's history. It's time for a new one. So I'm trying to Tommy rig it. I used some awning tape, which doesn't work worth squat.
Don't waste your money.
So since we have a humongous roll of 4-inch Eternabond tape, and I know it's super expensive and I shouldn't be using it. I can't even get the backing off of it, but I'm using it anyway. And I'm gonna Tommy patch this thing up. All right, I'm about to give up.
Well, here, give it to me.
Nope, I got it.
Yeah, as soon as I say give it to me, then you get it.
There it is. Ugh. A little bit farther. Ugh. And again, do not try this at home without adult supervision.
Yeah, there's no adults here today. They're at work.
And you know what I'm going to end up doing?
What?
Is, I don't care what it looks like. It's just fixing up the crack when it rolls up. Hopefully it'll tighten itself down. Hey, if it works, it works. If it didn't, we needed a new one anyway.
Yep. Okay, I have to get back to what I'm doing now. Are you going to go do it on the top too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Put another big strip down here.
Well, we're headed out of the Reno area for the winter. So we're leaving Sparks right now. We had to stop and dump tanks, but now we're on our way to Yerington, to the infamous drive-in
Sagecrest.
Sagecrest in Yerington. It's getting cold. We need to get out of here. So it's gonna be cold for the next few nights on our way south until we are south enough that it won't be too cold. Well, we made it here to our spot in Yerington. We're only gonna be here one night because we need to get south before it gets too cold in Tonopah.
Panels are still there.
Well, that's good. It wasn't windy today, but we had a couple trucks pass us and it went whoosh. Are they dirty?
Nope.
Good. So here we are.
Roof's still here.
Well, that's good too.
2 thumbs up. We still have a roof over our heads.
And the awning?
Oh, awning's still here.
Awning is still there. Tape is still there.
Yeah, my Tommy tape worked.
There you go. Awesome. Awesome. So it is about 2:30, I think. Let's see. Yeah, almost 2:30. And we left at a leisurely time, had to go dump tanks. But this is only a little over an hour away, so not bad. Not bad.
Home sweet home.
Yeah, for a night.
For a night.
Yep.
If it wasn't going to be so cold, we might stay more than one night.
Yeah, we like it here.
It's supposed to be in the mid-20s again.
Yeah, we got to get past all that.
Yeah.
Past Tonopah where it gets colder. GoPro, stop recording. Heading out of Yerington. We had a very good night's stay and a very yummy Mexican food supper from the pink Mexican food truck.
The taco truck.
The taco truck. So it was nice and quiet. There was a van there, but he was gone in the morning when we looked out.
Again, we stay at the Sagecrest Drive-In, which is BLM land. So we bought fuel and we bought food. Thank you, Yerington.
Yes, thank you very much for another good night's stay. We were going to go stop in the thrift store that we always go to, but nah, we don't need a new. Okay, to finish, now the battery is brand new in it, in the camera. We're leaving Yerington, headed to Hawthorne for one night. We're doing one-nighters till we get past Tonopah, which can get very cold.
It was 25 last night here, but we survived.
Yeah, we did.
See, we're here.
Yeah, we survived. Nothing got frozen up. About an hour drive today.
Love those short drive days.
Thank
Love
you,
it.
Dave.
Thank you, our endeavor. Get on the old dog fence.
Hello, Hawthorne. There's the H for Hawthorne up on the mountain over there. Sun is just going down on the other side. We've been here for a few hours, just kind of relaxing. We have been here a few times at the Whiskey Flats.
Whiskey Flats.
Whiskey Flats RV Park. And there we are. This area over here on the other side used to be a community called Beowawe many years ago. And now it's just all deserted. We went walking through it before. So the big army bases here, the ammo storage, and then Walker Lake is right over that way. What's left of it, it's drying up. This is just our overnight.
Yep. It's a good spot, you know, instead of staying on the
Our overnight
parking lot at the truck stop.
Yeah,
it's
we
like,
did
why
that
not-
the
why not
first
plug
time
in?
we stayed here
Yeah.
but it was not too hot or too cold.
Yeah.
So since it's gonna get chilly, we're gonna,
This way we can use the heat pump this evening and use the furnace overnight.
yeah. And then tomorrow we'll boondock it
Yeah.
in Tonopah,
Yeah.
and then down to Beatty after that. So Bear sees
Sees other puppies.
and here's other puppy. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
honey.
Oh my goodness. All right, it's getting
All right.
cold. Time for some fried chicken.
Yeah. Goodbye. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, please stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Travel day number 3. Leaving Hawthorne, heading to Tonopah. Tonopah. Couple hour drive today. A little bit longer than we've had the past couple of days.
But still, right at 100 miles.
Yeah. 100 and
What is it, 103?
yeah, now. Nice peaceful evening, very quiet.
We like that place.
Yep, that was the 3rd time we've stayed there.
They got a good Sam discount, so you get your $3 off, which basically pays for the tax.
Tax. Yeah. Hey, it's better than a sharp stick in the eye. It's another lovely day. Too lovely for December 2nd.
No, it's not.
We have a difference of opinion as far as that goes. I had my window down because I'm hot. He's, please put the window up. It's freezing in here. You know, when you get old and feeble, your blood is thinner. So
I didn't bring my shawl to drive with.
your shawl.
Shawl. Whatever.
Okay, here we go. On to Tonopah. Welcome to Tonopah, Nevada.
It's not where we normally go.
We are not in our usual spot. We normally boondock way up on the hill. But it's going to be very cold tonight, so we wanted to be able to plug in and use heater. So we are at a little place called Tonopah Hospitality and RV. They just have this one row of RV sites right here, maybe about 15 of them. It was $35 a night. Their water is shut off because of freezing temperatures, hence why we're here for electricity.
Really cold freezing temperatures. Not just freezing, but cold.
Yeah, below freezing. So, just here one night. People are very, very nice in the office. We've driven by here before. We've gone in and talked to them, but we always like to stay on the BLM road up there when it's not extremely windy or cold. So So after a little bit, we're gonna go up into town and get some pizza from the pizza place we like. Clown Motel is just up there. We actually got a nice level spot. Just about everybody else is on blocks because it does go downhill. But we're good. So that was nice.
So we either think we got a really level spot, or our RV frame is just bent enough that it leveled out perfect.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. It's like we need sites that are just a little off, like we are. Our poor Talo. It's a lovely afternoon.
It's nice.
Yes.
Light jacket weather.
No jacket weather. Only if you're a wussy boy.
What? What'd she say?
You'll just have to wait till you see it on the video. You probably know what I said. It's not the first time I've called you that. So there probably will be some road noise because Highway 95 is right here.
But the speed limit's only
Right
35.
there. Uh-huh. How many times? Oh yeah, 35. He's starting to slow down now. Yeah, even through town where it's only 25 or even slower maybe, I'm not sure, but they go flying up that road.
So here we are for the night, Tonopah.
Yep,
That's it.
that's it.
That's it. This is the What Up Wednesday video. You will see the rest of our journey as we head to warmer southern weather next Wednesday.
See ya. Okay, say your thing. I got in trouble for turning the camera off.
If you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. If you haven't click subscribe and ring that bell, get notified every time we put up a brand new video, which is every Saturday on our chats. And then What Up Wednesdays. It's just kind of a what up, here's a video. Now you can say it.
See ya.
See ya.
Life is short, make it sweet.
GoPro, stop recording.